And what are we doing today?
Science!
Science!
So the other science, but we have a different science.
So we're only using 3 items to make this. And we're making a lava lamps.
1, 2, 3.
No, we're using water, food coloring. Wait, no, it's 4, sorry. Water, food coloring, and then the Alka-Seltzer, which is that blue thing. Pick up the blue thing. You're not really showing it, man. Oh. Okay, try not to waste it. More. Like soda. Okay, stop. The other one. Think we have enough? Do we? No. And she missed some of it. So we got uneven. Alright, so we decided to do 1.
So we're going to put 2 food colorings.
You are?
Yes.
Alright, so we're going to do water. Just a little bit. We put a little bit of water in there. Put the whole thing in there. There we go. And then food coloring.
Red first.
Mm-hmm. Okay, do green.
And do you have to mix it too?
No.
Then how about color?
You'll see. I'm good. Put it in there.
Yes. Wow. I see some.
There we go. All right, and then what's in the blue pack? I like the red one always at the bottom. I think green. Yeah, green. It looks like blood.
I don't know how to open it.
Okay, I hope. Hey, they come with 2 tablets, but we're just gonna do 1 and see what the reaction is. If we don't give enough reaction, then we just do 2. Go.
Nope.
Oh, look. Look at it, you guys.
Can we do 2? Can we do 2?
Yeah, go ahead, put the second one in.
I want some more colors.
Put some more color. The other one is not even reacting. Probably why you just used 1. Okay, it's enough.
I don't want to waste all.
Now the other one's reacting.
Oh, it's coming in. Oh, it's
Yeah, isn't that cool, you guys?
oh, I never
With
seen
the red and green.
that.
Look at this, guys. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. It turns it to be like this. You guys. Bye. Make sure you hit that bell to subscribe.
And don't forget to hit the subscribe button.